Tiankun CHEM, located in Hangzhou City of beautiful lake and mountain, Hangzhou International Airport and West Lake, just a 30 minutes distance from our office. We share Shanghai and Ningbo shipping ports for transportation. Founded in the year 1999, specializes in manufacturing disperse dyes and reactive dyes. Apart from these dyes, we also provide other dyestuff, for instance, acid dyes, direct dyes, and textile auxiliaries. Since 2009, Tiankun CHEM has started export to overseas market, exporting more than 60 countries. A professional sales team, nearly 100 people, who can speak Spanish, Russian, Hindi, Indonesian, and Vietnamese, are built for a comprehensive customer service. Tiankun CHEM is committed to marketing, technical, and development research, and giving dyes products quality testing and technical support service. In 2017, our company has exceeded $50 million, a long-term relationship with partners from the whole world, such as South America, Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Middle East is well established. We put quality at the first place and are dedicated to make the best brand with consistent quality. As for packing, we use 25 kg carton box with pallets to pack our dyes. All the package can be made as the customer's requirements. As for transportation, it usually refers to the intermodal shipping containers that are easily transferred between ship, rail, plane, and truck. Our ultimate goal is to maintain honesty and credibility in our business transaction and keep our valuable customers at the top. Our vision is making your life warmer and richer and the world more colorful.